Working?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's very small.
Needs to be further in though.
Small.
Yeah, she needs to be even more though. If it gets stuck and you need my help, just ask. Do as much as you can. It should be just a little bit sticking out. Put some pressure on it so you're pushing in.
What?
No, you're doing fine. Do you want to do the other side? Now?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But it's not going in.
You might need my help a little bit at the end of it. Put some pressure on it.
Really?
Maybe with the other hand. And one pressure with one and turning with the other. That's it. Good. That's it. Let's do the other side now.
Wait, there's no finish yet. Whoa.
It hit you?
My head.
Okay. Can I put some pressure on it?
I want to.
You turn it, I'll put the pressure on.
No, I don't want to.
No? That's it. Put the pressure through it. Push, push. Good, that's fine. That's enough. That's enough. Now do this one. That's all we need.
There's enough finish yet.
Looks good to me. Come do this one now.
There's enough finish yet.
Push, 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 push. That's it. Can I test it?
No, I want to. Wait.
Matar, look at me. Put the pressure through with your hand, not the tips of your fingers. That's it. Push now. Push with that hand. That's it. Push. Can I try? Careful, it's sharp. Yeah? That's good. That's all we need, Matar. It's only meant to be like that. That's enough. Do the other side now, please.
Wait.
Okay. No, that's all we need, though. I don't want it in anymore. Good. That's perfect. Okay, here. Now this one, please.
Wait.